What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another daily YouTube video where we cover the market, our trades, and all the content by EA. Today is Monday, and with Monday that means upgrade packs. And as you will already know, we do upgrade packs on stream every single day during the season. We've made 100 of these already. It's only 7:46 p.m. 100 of these. We'll be opening these on our Twitch stream every single day. But make sure you follow the Twitch stream. Link in the description for that, and we'll be opening these every single day live for you to all watch. So yeah, this is the main thing that came today. Obviously requires all rares just like it does every week, and it's 442. So if you're invested in gold rares at 650, big W's because they're like 850, 900, you can easily lazy sell these for 950. That is really good for all you guys who did invest in gold rares. Easy play every week. Next week will be even better, as there's a bit more hype with the Santander cards. Other than that, we did get an 81 plus times 11. We also predicted would come with 82 rated squad and 85 with 2 tradable packs. So this obviously caused some supply on the market and we saw a little dip. Although that is unfortunately all the content we got from EA today, which is kind of regular for a Monday for it to be kind of quiet. But yeah, obviously this has affected the rest of the market and we have seen a dip on some cards and a rise on some cards. The expensive team of seasons have seemed to have flown pretty much. Goretzka's up quite a lot, Mane's up quite a lot, De Ligt was up a bit more earlier. And the cheaper ones come down because people sell the cheaper ones to do these upgrades and they don't really buy them back because they don't want them. But the more expensive ones, people wait to try and do the upgrades and they can't pack them. So we're seeing a lot of dips on these cards here. There really isn't too much to trade right now. When it comes to this team, I've been focusing my energy more on the outer pack specials as I think they're much safer to trade. I think they're much safer to trade due to the lack of increase in supply. However, we're still seeing dips on these cards. This card under 500 seems like a good deal. Just remember, every day we're getting closer and closer to the next promo team, which is going to be Santander, which is going to have a lot more hype than Bundesliga, whether you guys like that or not. This team is obviously out of packs, and some of them are kind of rising, but nothing too crazy here. The main team I continue to trade is the Premier League, because Premier League will always have demand, and a few fluctuations I continue to trade are Harry Kane at 140, he's now 155, he was 160. Casemiro at 85 I do like a lot. I've been getting lazies for 10k higher. He's actually chilling at that price now, so maybe a bit lower I'd buy. Trippier, you all know Trippier lazy sells fantastically. Anytime you can get him at 48, 49k, you just list 54, 55k, you make the easiest coins of your life. Reece James has been slow and steadily coming down, to be fair. 54k, but he's held 57 for a while now. Probably get some 62, 63k lazies. Zinchenko, I bought a lot of this card at 65k, and you can clearly see 67, and we're starting to lazy sell. Here's my transfer list just to show you guys with full transparency. Here's some Trippiers already selling before the hour even expires, and then here's a lot of the Zinchenkos that I bought as well. Let's go through all the stuff we posted on the Discord today. Let's run you through the general plan of how we work through it on the Patreon. So today the plan was to be out of all investment before 6 p.m. because the Bundesliga cards would drop just like we saw Prem cards last week, and they did. I highly recommend you get gold rares for 700 coins because they'll be more expensive after 6 p.m. And if you take a look here, gold rares are currently, what price are they now? Are they 900 yet? We'll be selling here though. Look, they're all selling for 900 at the end of the hour. Let's see what 59th minute are. So they're already 850. So if you bought 650, making 200 coins a card, they're probably going to go closer to 1k. So that's a really, really good investment there. For those of you on a low budget, it's an easy way to make a few hundred coins. And then here's me reminding everyone just to be out of all the cards, and here's my 6 p.m. update saying what to get in and get out of. There weren't that many trades today to be made. Kolo Muani was one I picked out, 63k. That seems to rebound every single day. He's still at 64k. But he's 66 in game, and he will lazy sell well because people will use him for the cup. Because if you look at the rest of this league, Fulkrug, terrible striker. Kolo Muani, the only really usable somewhat card with good French links too. Definitely like that card for sure. A lot of this team though, I predict will just slow and steadily drop. As we today will get Saudi objective, Saudi SBC, which is going to have Ronaldo, Marino, and Talisca. Marino had a really good rise during team of the season already. But the main thing people are already looking to invest in, you can already tell, cards like Vinicius Junior Gold, and these cards are very, very high. Look at this card's rise since Friday. So you saw a massive spike up on Saturday. Clearly everyone went to invest and he's come down a bit. These cards are heavily over invested, and I'd highly recommend you can hold these cards But you must sell before 6 p.m. on Friday. This is very, very important. All of these cards will drop at 6 p.m. because you can clearly tell this is just heavy overinvestment. So it worked really well for Bundesliga. Last year we saw a similar pattern. It worked really well for Bundesliga. We ourselves tried to go in on some Militaos, some Koundés, and we got absolutely wrecked. I'd expect a similar thing to happen this year, because when it looks too easy, guess what? It's not. This card is another example of a card that's absolutely flying. Who's down here? Really up high at 60k. And what I would do is I'd look to buy the dip on Friday instead of buying before. If you already own these cards and they're continuing to rise, feel free to hold until Friday. Sell before 6 p.m. for the risk-free play, because it works 99% of the time. But yeah, you'll see even cards like Usman, who people are predicting could get a moment. If he gets a moments card, sure, he'll do well. If he doesn't, he won't. Look at his price already. From Friday, you're looking at this card was 2k. Now this card is already doubled in price. So if you did buy at 2k, I would gladly think about taking the profit. If people are seeing things like what happened to Frimpong, and they're thinking, wow, I need to get in extra early. He's 8k. We did buy this guy at 2k ourselves on our RTG. We bought a lot of him before Friday. I did not think he'd go this high. I'm pretty sure I actually sold here at like 4k. But it is what it is, and we'll take those profits. People are clearly needing him for the cup, and that's why he is so high. And this other card has an insane stat boost of 97 dribbling, for example. It's not obtainable as he's very, very expensive. Two other cards people will be looking at will be the Ligue 1 cards. So if we go to like Neymar, for example, we can go take a look at some of the Ligue 1 cards, because Ligue 1 will be the team after Santander. And this may be where you want to look. You want to get a jump start on everyone who's going to then go to invest in the next league. So if we take a look at some cards here, the card might be like a Donnarumma. He has great links. Fabian. Any card with great links is probably somewhere to look. 69k. Has he already risen? He hasn't. If you want to go super, super early, this is the kind of place where you want to look. Beware, you might see a dip on Friday, just like you saw here on this day. You might see this on Friday, so be ready for that. If that does happen, then yeah, for sure, go ahead, go in. But if you want to go super early, maybe you go super early on some of these PSG links, because PSG will dominate the Ligue 1 as it does every year, and those PSG links are invaluable. A lot of the cards will be very expensive. Renato Sanchez 107, anybody? I mean, that sounds very, very cheap to me. He's down heavily today though, this is the issue. Or he's down heavily from yesterday. The issue, you might see this kind of a dip. But I have no doubts this card will go up in the hype for Ligue 1, but the issue is you're waiting 10 days. But based on how the market's moving right now, you probably see a rise like to 150 by this time next week. If you want to start going in early on these cards, you can. Vitinha, extremely, extremely low risk and low reward. Ramos here, 83k. Marquinhos, there's a lot of low risk plays you can make here. Nuno Mendes, Hakimi in form. To be honest, what I might do after this video is I might start posting on the Discord and start just club stocking one of every single one of these Ligue 1 PSG cards. Just leave them in there and let's see what happens. If I lose coins, I lose coins. Neymar at 310, I mean, that's got to be a good price, right? You would think. Again, he's just been falling. The question is, when do you time it? Pull the trigger to buy it yourself. If you go too early, you will get mudded. Verratti 94. But obviously, we do have 10 days until Ligue 1, but their links are already high and it's Monday. If we look further to the future, we'd maybe start looking at the Ligue 1, which will be the league after for sure. Messi 237 in form. And yeah, it's pretty simple what we're going to do. We're just going to start club stocking each and one of these cards. Maybe some other OP cards from the League 2. Looking at cards like maybe Guendouzi. He's a very good card. Obviously, we'll sell this in the hype long before team of the season even starts, but he's obviously very high, so it's much more risk. But yeah, just to show you all the cards I'm selling, you saw there was only 3 or 4 there earlier. We've got some more sales, and you can see Trippier is lazy selling, and Enko is also lazy selling too. That was good insight for you guys to see that these cards do live lazy sell. Here's the prices I paid. Shouldn't be anything over 65 here. Looks very, very good. Some Trippier, some Kolo Muani's. And yeah, some crazy snaps on the Trippiers. I was getting some really good undercuts. Obviously, he sells 55k on lazies, so I really like that as well. Got one Casemiro at 85. We'll see how that goes. Not too sure on him, to be honest. But Zinchenko, I'm taking all the safe plays now because I need to make packs. When I need to make packs, I can't risk taking losses because I'm spending so much on the packs themselves. But yeah, Ligue 1 could be the move to look into. We will be opening all 100 of these on our streams on Twitch, so make sure you follow. I stream twice daily at 2:30 p.m. and 10 p.m. UK time every single day. We open packs and I answer all your trading questions. I have a free trading Discord which you can all join if you'd like, as well as a paid Patreon where you get every single tip and every single trade that I take. Other than that, guys, I make daily YouTube videos. Like, subscribe, share the video. Let me know what you think. Are you investing in the league guns, or are you going to miss out on that, or you can just wait? I prefer you go in on those, but there's also some very cheap gold cards you could target from that league too. Maybe we'll look at that in tomorrow's video. But yeah, other than that, guys, thank you for liking, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one tomorrow.